Pack Mom, here to make your life easier as a pet parent. Why do dogs shed? Well, I can tell you, it's a hard thing to manage sometimes, but all dogs shed. I live with Chico and Abe, who are two mighty fur balls. As much as I brush them and groom them, I see their tumbleweeds of dog hair floating around my house daily. So why do dogs shed their coats? Well, it all has to do with the life cycle of the hair shaft within the hair follicle. It all has to do with age, breed, genetics, even health, and food can have something to do with how often or how much your pet sheds. So, Abe here is a double-coated lab. Chico, actually, for Chihuahua, is a double-coated Chihuahua, which means they're going to shed more frequently. So if I have my brush and kind of brush through both of their coats, I can easily see the double coat underneath, which is soft, almost like a down fur. Keeps them warm in the cooler months. Then they shed, and they get a lighter undercoat for the summer and springtime months. The best way to manage a shedding dog is to maintain it. That means frequent grooming, frequent bathing, probably about every 2 weeks bathing-wise, and brushing every week. I try to brush my guys out every day. As you brush the dog, all of the dead hair that's causing that mat and tangling and that's being left all around your house is going to come off in the brush rather than on your furniture. So thanks for watching. I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, talking about why do dogs shed their coats. Have a great day.